Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will make a dates with butter. Among the ingredients are we need 2 dates, buttercup and yogurt.
First, split the dates and remove the pits. Next, cut the butter into small pieces. Then, place the butter inside the dates.
Subsequently, add yogurt on top. Finally, it's ready to be served. Enjoy your meal. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Do you want some?
Yes, I want.
A few moments later.
Can you explain nutrition fact about this?
Yes, I can explain nutrition about dates butter. Firstly, dates 100 gram equal to 277 calorie. They provide immediate energy and are rich in fiber, vitamins and mineral. Second, butter 10 gram equal to 72 calorie. It is high in saturated fat and contains vitamins A, D and E. Thirdly, yogurt 50 gram equal to 50 to 60 calorie. It is rich in protein, calcium and probiotic. Lastly, estimated calorie per serving with yogurt equal to 3019 to 4010 calorie. That's all from me.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Taste 1. Sweet. The butter has a creamy and rich flavor. 2. Texture. Why the yogurt provides creamy and sugary so tasty.
Stop. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Can you tell me the benefits of butter dates?
Yes, I can. I know some benefit of butter dates. One of them is drawbacks. Cause butter contains high saturated fat and may increase the risk of heart disease. So, it should be consumed in moderation. Second is quantity. We need to eat in moderation and avoid excessive intake due to saturated fats. It is suitable as a dessert or light breakfast occasionally.
Wow, thank you.
Welcome.